NVIDIA, Micron, and SanDisk, the next AI bull market explained. Why cheaper AI could make NVIDIA even more valuable. The hidden winners of the AI revolution, NVIDIA stock analysis. Is NVIDIA headed for $300? Here's the bull case. NVIDIA's road to $300? Why the AI infrastructure boom may be just getting started. What if the biggest winners in artificial intelligence aren't the companies building AI models, but the companies supplying the technology that powers them? That's exactly what veteran technology investor Gavin Baker believes. And if he's right, NVIDIA, Micron Technology, and SanDisk could be entering another major growth phase. Here's why. For years, many investors assumed that as AI models became cheaper and more efficient, the profits would shrink across the industry. But Baker argues the opposite. As AI becomes more affordable, more people and businesses will use it. That means dramatically higher demand for AI inference, the process of generating responses from AI models. Even though each individual AI request becomes less expensive, the total number of requests could skyrocket. In fact, inference costs have reportedly fallen by nearly 1,000 times over the past 3 years. Lower costs don't necessarily mean lower revenue. Instead, they could unlock an explosion in AI usage, and every AI request still requires powerful GPUs, high-speed memory, and enterprise storage. That's where NVIDIA, Micron, and SanDisk come in. NVIDIA remains the undisputed leader in AI chips, and its latest financial results show the momentum isn't slowing down. The company reported first-quarter fiscal 2027 revenue of more than $81.6 billion, an 85% increase from a year earlier. Data center revenue surged 92%, while earnings once again exceeded Wall Street expectations, marking the 5th consecutive earnings beat. Management also projected roughly $91 billion in revenue for the next quarter and revealed an incredible $119 billion in supply commitments, suggesting demand remains exceptionally strong. Micron is benefiting from another critical part of the AI ecosystem, high bandwidth memory, or HBM. As AI models grow larger and more complex, advanced memory has become just as important as the processors themselves. Micron's cloud memory business generated nearly $13.8 billion in quarterly revenue while maintaining exceptionally strong profit margins. SanDisk is also emerging as a surprising AI beneficiary. Its data center business experienced explosive growth, with revenue jumping more than 600% year over year as cloud providers expand storage capacity to support AI workloads. The biggest confirmation of this trend may be coming directly from the world's largest cloud companies. Amazon is reportedly planning approximately $200 billion in capital expenditures during 2026, while Microsoft's latest quarterly capital spending increased 84% from the previous year. These aren't investment companies make unless they expect AI demand to continue accelerating. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang has repeatedly emphasized that the next wave of artificial intelligence is already here. As AI agents become capable of performing real work across industries, the need for computing power only grows. That creates a powerful feedback loop. Cheaper AI encourages greater adoption. Greater adoption creates more AI requests. More AI requests require additional GPUs, memory, and storage. And that benefits the companies building the infrastructure behind the AI revolution. Could NVIDIA reach $300 per share? At current levels, that would require roughly 40% upside. While no outcome is guaranteed, NVIDIA has achieved similar gains during previous AI growth cycles. Continued earnings growth, expanding cloud investment, and rising AI adoption could all support higher valuations over time. The bigger takeaway may not be the exact price target. It's that the AI story is evolving. Rather than focusing solely on who builds the smartest AI models, investors may increasingly pay attention to the companies supplying the hardware that makes those models possible. If AI demand continues to grow at its current pace, infrastructure providers like NVIDIA, Micron, and SanDisk could remain some of the biggest long-term beneficiaries. As always, remember that investing involves risk, and this video is for informational purposes only, not financial advice. If you enjoyed this analysis, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which AI stock you're watching most closely.